Hi, hello and welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. We will find out the solution of problem number 7. A of 5, 3 and B of 3, minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find out the equation of locus. For finding equation of locus, we have to given 2 points A and B, and also the condition is the area of the triangle PAB is 9. Now we will find out the solution. Solution. For this problem solution, we have to assume a point P on the locus. That is, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Given points are A equal to 5, 3 and B equal to 3, minus 2. According to the problem, the condition is that the area of triangle PAB is 9. That is, area of triangle PAB equal to 9. We also know the area of triangle formula, that is half into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By substituting the values, then we have half into modulus x1 into 3 plus 2 plus 5 into minus 2 minus y1 plus 3 into y1 minus 3 equal to 9. Taking cross multiplication and also simplifying the above equation, then we have modulus 5x1 minus 10 minus 5y1 plus 3y1 minus 9 equal to 18. After simplification, we get modulus 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to 18. By using modulation formula, then we have 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18. In this equation, we have two equations, that is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to 18, equation number 1, or 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to minus 18, equation number 2. First we solve equation number 1. 1 implies 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to 18. Taking 18 on left side of the equation, then 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0. After simplification, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 equal to 0. This is solution of equation number 1. Next, we solve equation number 2. 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 equal to minus 18. Taking minus 18 on left side of the equation, then 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 plus 18 equal to 0. After simplification, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here the required equation of locus is the multiplication of equations 1 and 2 solutions. Then, therefore, the required equation of locus is 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is our required problem solution. After 7th problem solution, we have to find out the solution of problem number 8. Find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A of 1, 1 and B of minus 2, 3. This is our given problem. In this, we have to find out the equation of locus of a point, and for that we have to given the area of triangle is 2. Now we will solve the solution. Solution. For this problem solution, we have to assume a point on the locus. That is, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Given points are A equal to 1, 1 and B equal to minus 2, 3. According to the problem, the condition is that the area of triangle PAB is 2. That is, area of triangle PAB equal to 2. Here we have to substitute the area of triangle formula and then substitute the values. Then we have half into modulus x1 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 5 1 minus 2 into y1 minus 1 equal to 2. Taking cross multiplication and then simplify, then we have modulus minus 2x1 plus 3 minus 5 1 minus 2y1 plus 2 equal to 4. After simplification, we have mod minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to 4. Here we using the modulation formula, then we have minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to plus or minus 4. In this above equation, we have two equations that are minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to 4, equation number 1, or minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to minus 4, equation number 2. First, we have to solve the equation number 1. That is, 1 implies minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to 4. Here we take 4 on left side of the equation, then we have minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. After simplification, we have minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 1 equal to 0. Taking minus as common and then send it out to right side of the equation, then the equation becomes 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is our equation number 1 solution. And next we have to solve the equation number 2. Minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 equal to minus 4. Here also taking minus 4 on left side of the equation, then we have minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 5 plus 4 equal to 0. After simplification, minus 2x1 minus 3y1 plus 9 equal to 0. Here also taking minus as common, then we have 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 9 equal to 0. Here the required equation of locus is the multiplication of the solutions of equation number 1 and 2. Then the required equation of locus is 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is our given problem solution. We find out the solution of problem number 9. If the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2 is to 3, then find the equation of the locus of P. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find out the equation of locus by using the given condition is that the distances from the locus point P to 2, 3 and P to 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Now we will find out the solution. For this problem solution, we have to assume a point on the locus. That is, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Let us assume that the given points are a equal to 2, 3 and b equal to 2, minus 3. According to the problem, the given condition is that the distances from P to A and P to B are in the ratio 2:3. That is, this is equation in written in mathematical form. PA is to PB equal to 2:3. This equation written in dividing form, we have PA by PB equal to 2/3. After cross multiplication, then the above equation becomes 3PA equal to 2PB. Squaring on both sides of the above equation, then we have 9PA square equal to 4PB square. Here we have to apply distance formula and then substitute the values. That is 9 into x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square equal to 4 into x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. After expanding the equation, then we have 9 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1 equal to 4 into x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 plus 6y1. After simplification, then above equation becomes 9x1 square plus 36 minus 36x1 plus 9y1 square plus 81 minus 54y1 equal to 4x1 square plus 16 minus 16x1 plus 4y1 square plus 36 plus 24y1. Taking all values on left side of the equation, then we have 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 36x1 minus 54y1 plus 117 minus 4x1 square minus 4y1 square plus 16x1 minus 24y1 minus 52 equal to 0. After simplification, equation becomes 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 20x1 minus 78y1 plus 65 equal to 0. This is our required equation. Therefore, the required equation of locus is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0. This is our problem solution. Problem number 10. A of 1, 2, B of 2, minus 3 and C of minus 2, 3 are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to show the equation of locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. For that equation, we have to given condition is PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Now, we will find out the solution. For this problem solution, we have to assume a point on the locus. That is, let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus. Given points are A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 2, minus 3 and C equal to minus 2, 3. According to the problem, the given condition is that PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Here we apply the distance formula and then substitute the values. Then we have x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square plus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square equal to 2 into x1 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. After expanding the above equation, then we have x1 square plus 1 minus 2x1 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4y1 plus x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 plus 6y1 equal to 2 into x1 square plus 4 plus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 9 minus 6y1. After simplification, we have 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 6x1 plus 2y1 plus 18 equal to 2x1 square plus 8 plus 8x1 plus 2y1 square plus 18 minus 12y1. After cancel the same terms on the both sides of the equation, then we have minus 6x1 plus 2y1 equal to 8 plus 8x1 minus 12y1. By taking all values on one side, then we have minus 6x1 plus 2y1 minus 8 minus 8x1 plus 12y1 equal to 0. After simplification, we have minus 14x1 plus 14y1 minus 8 equal to 0. Here we take minus 2 as common on and then send it out to other side of the equation. Then we have 7x1 minus 7y1 plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of locus is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Hence, proved. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.